Hey beauties, let's jump right into this video of my Pro Bridal Makeup Kit. It was highly requested. So here is my bio-ionic backpack, which is typically used for hair, but of course, you know, your girl has to use it for makeup. So in this side pocket, I have some of my essentials, which is a mesh bag of beauty blenders. Yes, beauty blenders are an essential product, I'm telling you. I also keep a towel in here, which I use for my makeup station, and I usually have two for cleaning off my brushes as well. In this side pocket, I keep a lot of liquids, like there's my Airbrush cleaner. I find that keeping things in this side pocket makes it a lot less spills, and there's my Mayron Skin Prep Pro, and I also keep some Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray. It is absolutely amazing, as well as some Airbrush thinner. Absolute must if you're doing airbrush makeup, and my Makeup Forever cooling lotion. This is like a skin prep must have. In this upper compartment, I keep my handy smock so that all of my clients stay nice and neat during their makeup applications, you know, can't be messy. So now we are getting into our main compartment, which is where all the magic happens, and I keep a majority of my items. So it's not packed to the brim, so I have room to grow. Those are my brushes, which I clean out my airbrush with because you need to have a clean airbrush. This is my airbrush compressor, and I purchased this from TCP Global. I have a link down below if you're interested. In this bag right here, this is where I keep all of my airbrush foundations, my blushes, my highlights, my correctors, and I keep those on one side, and on the other side I keep a lot of my cream concealer palettes. This is so handy. This is why I absolutely love airbrush makeup. So there's my concealer palette. I have that from Graftobian. I also have my very favorite Temp 2 airbrush gun. I will be purchasing like 2 more of these guns because they're really good and really handy to have. A couple of the palettes that I must have. This one from Crown Brush, that is my mixing palette. The first palette that I am going to show you is one that I made. Most of my palettes I make myself. And this is my cream blush palette. This is from Makeup Forever, and it is in their medium palette. These cream blushes are amazing. With these 6 shades, I can pretty much mix it and fit everyone's skin tone. I have my Anastasia lip palette. This is an absolute must. I also have my Shade and Light palette. This is the Makeup Forever contour palette. And so what I did was I depotted everything, all 4 shades, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and put them in that palette to take with me. So this first bag that I'm showing you, which came with the bio-ionic backpack, so it was very handy. This is my skincare pouch, and I also keep a lot of my disposables. I need to store them much better because that looks a mess. But first things first is my Bioderma, which is out of frame. I apologize, but my Bioderma, which is essential. My Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, also an essential. My Tatcha Supple Moisturizer is probably one of the best moisturizers. Oh my God, it's absolutely phenomenal. Also in here, I have all of my disposables. I have my Chloron Floral Water. It is, if you don't know about floral water, please get to know it. It's amazing. Also, I have my Makeup Forever Super Matte Loose, which I have in a stack, just to take a lot of things, a lot of colors with me. I have travel size of primers. I have empty little pots for the lipstick colors that I mix, just so I can give to clients so they can do touch-ups later on. And this here is my makeup pouch. So it's a lot going on in this pouch. Just a lot of my essentials, a lot of my products that I cannot live without. So let's start off. I have all of my lip pencils. They are mainly from Smashbox and Makeup Forever. Those are my essential shades that I need for every single lip color. Some of my larger full size of my primers, they are also from Makeup Forever. I have a lot of Makeup Forever stuff, in case you were wondering. My Embryo Lease, that should be in my skincare. And so should those primers. They should also be in my skincare. I also carry, this is like my true Rider's Eye Laguna and Hot Sand duo. Amazing for every single client. These are my Pro Light Fusions from Makeup Forever. I have both shades, so I can pretty much highlight anyone of any complexion with these 2 shades. They look amazing on their own as well as together. Another bronzer that I carry is the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and this is in number 30 matte. It is a very, very warm shade. I really like it because it's so warm. Next up is my brow essentials. I use the Aqua Brow. I love these little pomades. I also use the brow gels that just came out. If you haven't checked them out, please do. Again, everything is from Makeup Forever. I also carry my HD sticks, and I depotted them and put them into this handy palette. So I carry all 12, well, there's 15 shades, but I carry 12 shades with me. So it works out beautifully. I absolutely love those. I love that foundation. I love those sticks. For my brides, I also carry some full-size lipsticks, like the most popular ones that everybody loves. I always carry them in a full size just to give to my brides. This one is the Tom Ford. If you're going to buy any lipstick from Tom Ford, let it be blushing nude. This is one of the most popular lip colors. All of my girls love these lip colors. And to conceal under the eye, I have the It Bye Bye Under Eye. I have them in, I think, 5. I don't know why I only have 3 in there. 5 colors. They are amazing. For my eyelid base, oh my god, my heart is broken because these are discontinued. The Aquamatics from Makeup Forever. I just carry them in two very neutral shades to base the eyes with. They are phenomenal. I will definitely be on the lookout for something else. And for eye pencils, I carry my Aqua XL and some shades of the Urban Decay 24/7 liners. And of course, my true Ride or Die number 77 Inglot black gel eyeliner. If you don't have it, you're tripping. You're tripping. And again, back to the lips, I also carry some Smashbox liquid lipsticks. Huge fan of them. Huge fan. My clients love them. So I try to carry a couple shades with me just in case none of the lipsticks are working out. So again, this is the palette that I created. This is my powder foundation. This is the Makeup Forever. It is a powder foundation, but I often use it as a setting powder. It's so versatile. You definitely can. This is the XL palette. It usually carries about 8 shades of this powder foundation, but I am using it. I need to get 2 more shades. I haven't decided the 2 middle shades that I need. And last but definitely not least, this is my core Bridal neutral palette. It took me forever to build this palette. I also did it with the help from Nick Lejean, who is a head makeup artist for Makeup Forever. So this is the palette. As you notice, I don't have a black because I often use my black eyeliner as my black shadow. And this, I can do anybody, any shade, any nationality with that palette. It's amazing. And lastly, but definitely not least, my square reader, because everyone needs to get paid. So yeah, that is my typical pro bridal makeup kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.